So Tom from Oregon here, and a common question asked in the Grand Design Imagine RV group that I help manage is how to seal this edge right here against the gutter and the roof. And mine's got some minor cracking, but it's not overly bad, but I'm doing it today. And I've had a discussion with my RV tech, owns a shop in Dundee, Oregon, for about 37 years, and he was saying don't fret about this. People go overboard with it and putting Eternabond tape over it, which does more harm than good. He tells me when they build these roofs, these trailers, is the roof, the TPO material here overlaps the front of the side of the trailer is fiberglass, and then the gutter is screwed on using butyl tape, so it is sealed. So even if there was a little bit of water intrusion in here, it's not gonna get into the wall or into the trailer, so no harm. Now I would be concerned if I lived in a cold climate and didn't cover my roof, and when snow builds up on the roof and it melts and it gets in and it freezes and it melts and it freezes and expands, and then you got damage. So it would be probably good to maintain this or keep your roof covered. So I'm using for materials here is I got some blue tape, some cleaner, alcohol, rag, paper towels, and alpha sealant. And this is the No-sag formula. So what I've been doing, and I did one side already, is I put blue tape on, and just to do this area here, and that's it. Had a talk with my tech about it, and a lot of people put the lap sealant in here and goopers in and looks horrible, and water doesn't flow correctly. So he liked the blue tape idea as well. Now I've done one side, and typically when I do blue tape with latex caulking or silicone caulking, is I try to peel it off within 15 minutes for latex and within an hour with silicone. This stuff here is like working with marshmallow, and when I went to go pull off the tape, it was still kind of stringy, so I'm gonna probably let it set up a day or two before I peel off my tape. So in this process, I'll be cleaning with the cleaner, and then I'll be taping, and then I put a very, very thin bead of the No-sag alpha sealant formula in here, very thin. And then I'll grab a rag, paper towel that's laden with alcohol, and wipe it with the rag. I tried to do it with my finger, and stuff, like I said, is like working with marshmallow. It just sticks to you even with a wet alcohol finger. So I had to use a rag, and I'm trying just to get it ever so smooth and push it in there and leave as little on the tape as possible, so that when I go to pull the tape up, I won't have issues. So I'll have to probably do another video on that when I go to peel it off. Hope that helps. Bye. So part two of this project to seal along the gutter and the roof line here. And I was really worried yesterday after doing the tape and trying to peel it off after about an hour, and it was just stringy and like marshmallow. So I gave it a day to set up and came home, and to my surprise, the tape was all falling off and it wasn't sticking. It's stuck in some areas. I mean, I could have probably gone another day on the curing. I got impatient. I'm not looking for perfection. I mean, this is pretty good. So I'm pleasantly surprised. I think I'm good to go. And oh, for those that are looking for a solution to the gutter seam leak, HVAC tape. Use that foil tape, form it in there with some kind of rubber spatula, and I think that's gonna solve the problem. Hope this helps somebody. Have a great day.